Hi, lovely people, and welcome back to Improve Your English with Evelyn. I'm Evelyn, your favorite English teacher. So it's Friday night, and I'm bored. I want to text my friend and make up a plan for what we're going to do this weekend. Have you ever been in this situation and you didn't know how to express that you wanted to do something? In this video, I'm going to teach you some useful phrases that you can use to make suggestions about future plans. I'm also going to teach you how to either accept plans or to reject proposed plans. So keep watching this video if you want to find this out. The first way that you could make a suggestion for a future plan is by using the phrase, "Would you be down to?" For example, I'm feeling a little low energy tonight, so I'm going to text my friend and I'm going to ask her, "Would you be down to go see that movie that we've been wanting to see?" If my friend accepts my proposed plan, she can say, "I'm totally down for that." Another way you could make a suggestion for future plans is by saying, "Why don't we?" plus the activity. For example, you could say, "Why don't we go ice skating?" Another common way that you can make a suggestion is by saying, "How about we?" plus the activity. For example, you could say, "How about we go for a hike this weekend?" Another way to make a suggestion is to ask the person, "What are you in the mood for?" You can also say, "Are you in the mood for blank?" For example, you could say, "Are you in the mood for sushi?" Or you could say something like, "Are you in the mood for going for a bike ride?" Another way you can make a future plan is by saying, "Do you feel like?" plus the activity. For example, you could say, "Do you feel like going for brunch?" Or you could say something like, "Do you feel like going for coffee?" So now I'm going to teach you 5 ways that you can use to accept proposed plans. The first way you could do this is by saying, "That sounds great," or "That sounds awesome," or "That sounds wonderful." You could also say, "That sounds like a great plan." You might also choose to say something like, "Count me in." Or you could say, "I would love that." Lastly, you could say, "Why not?" Now, what if you want to decline proposed plans? You don't want to just say no, but you want to politely say something to your friend. You could say something like, "That sounds great," or "I'd love to, but," and then you explain why you don't like the plan. For example, you could say, "That sounds great, but I'm very tired and I don't think I'll have the energy to do that today." So in this situation, it might be polite for you to propose an alternative plan. For example, if your friend invites you to go to a bar, but you're not really in the mood for drinking, you might say to your friend, "How about we go for a coffee instead of going for a drink?" So in this video, we've gone over some useful phrases that you can use when you're making proposed plans. We also went over how you can accept proposed plans and how you can politely refuse plans. So the next time you're making plans with your friends, why don't you try to use one of the phrases that we've gone over today? And write in the comments below what the plan was and if your friend accepted your plans. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. See you next time.